Thanks for connecting with ITProTV. In the spirit of the holidays, we asked our team what they're most grateful for, and spoiler alert, it's our members.
It's been a great year for all of us here at ITProTV, and for me personally, I'm thankful for all of you, our members. We all work really hard to make you successful, and it's great to hear from you that you are.
I'm thankful for our members who share their amazing stories with us every day.
Sharing with us when they get a new job, or when they get a promotion, or when they pass one of those exams.
It's always great to hear about that.
I'm thankful for all the things I've learned at ITProTV this year.
We get to learn something new every single day.
I learn something probably every hour of every single day.
I am thankful for being surrounded by people who believe in the power of education.
I am thankful I get to work with amazing people every day.
Because they challenge me to actually become better.
I'm thankful for working with a team that has so much grit.
I am thankful to work for a company that is passionate about our staff and passionate about our members.
I'm thankful for our members who truly inspire us to be better at what we do every day.
I'm thankful for our members for choosing ITProTV for their IT training needs.
Kickstart the new year with a new skill or certification. Get started with a membership to ITProTV.